Conferences are a big part of the business world, as they offer ways to connect and network with partners and prospects and ultimately conduct business. Hi, this is Will Amosich, and welcome to Botsplash TV. Conferences such as LeadsCon and Lead Generation World, to name a few, can span 2 to 3 days, offering different events, panels, and speakers for individuals to attend, gather information, and meet people. It's important to know the calendar and agenda of a conference, but it's also equally important to know the layout and location of the conference as to not easily get lost once you're there. Be sure to be dressed appropriately, business casual or professional attire. Remember, when you're at a conference, you're not only representing yourself, but also your company as well. And pro tip, be sure to have some breath mints or gum so you make sure that foul breath isn't a deciding factor between good and bad networking. Conferences can be fun and rewarding, but also physically and mentally exhausting. So be sure to stay hydrated and nourished and stick to a structured pace. That way, you get the most out of your conference and you'll be ready for your next one. I'm Will Amosich, and I hope to see you at a conference very soon.